Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas day 18.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying.
Okay, so I wanted to try something different. You guys are literally in my bed with me on this little desk thing. I just wanted to pretend like we're on FaceTime, and yeah, this video is just gonna be really chill and casual. I've gotten a bunch of requests asking to share last minute gift ideas because the holidays are coming up in 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 7 days, which is crazy. Christmas is in 7 days. When did that happen? I created a list of 101 items that maybe you didn't think about that can hopefully help. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's just get right into it. Nike socks. Everybody loves a good pair of Nike socks. Razors for shaving. A bed table tray. Something like the one I'm filming on. It will change your life. A moleskin journal. Silk pillowcase. A good working electric toothbrush. A speaker. For guys, give them a wallet. Like a good quality leather wallet. Self tanner. Fuzzy socks. Bath bombs. Nail polish. 2 books that are my favorite currently. One is called We Were Liars. The second one is called People We Meet on Vacation. Yeti cups. Fairy lights. A sunset lamp. Nike blazers. Gold jewelry, a yoga mat. I have one from Lululemon and I love it. It is like the best thing ever. Dumbbells. You can find them in like really cute colors too. A skincare fridge. GlossierBomb.com. My favorite one is the birthday one. Claw clips. Volcano candles. They're the best candles ever. You can for sure find them at Anthropologie. Flowers. Slip hair ties. These will not pull on your hair. They're the best. A mini waffle maker, a film camera, or even a disposable camera. You can pick up disposable ones from like CVS or Walgreens. The Ariana Grande cloud perfume. Art supplies, whether that's like paint, canvases, brushes, a period heating pad, a weighted blanket, a projector, a gua sha. Any sort of like neutral or black hoodie is like a great staple, and I'm always so excited anytime I find one. Puffer jackets. Blue light glasses, sunglasses, tote bags, cute car air fresheners, especially like the ones you can hang down. Those are really cute. A new Casetify case, the best phone cases. Modern records of artists nowadays like Billie Eilish. A hydro flask. The Beach Waver curler, best curler that I've ever used. A Theragun. Concert tickets, nail salon certificate, massage certificates, a new gym bag, Himalayan salt lamp, merch from your favorite influencer, hashtag plug. Shop my merch down below after this video. A glass jewelry box. I love mine. Gift cards to literally anywhere. A plane ticket or money to use towards a plane ticket. A diffuser, essential oils, UGG slippers, a beauty blender, maybe new makeup brushes. Tory Burch black sandals are the cutest things ever. I love mine. I wear them all the time. The 5-minute journal. Men's deodorant. Trust me, when you switch to men's deodorant, it just changes everything. A bag of hot Cheetos, a ukulele, a record player, the Dior lip oil. I haven't tried it, but I've heard it's really good. Benefit Hula bronzer, an away suitcase, a cruiser bike, a penny board, Bible journaling highlighters, maybe a cute new Bible. My sister ordered one from Etsy and it is the cutest thing ever. Mattress topper, new pair of Levi's, a cute vanity with like a mirror, a full-length mirror. I love the one that I have. Glossier hoodies, silk sheets, a jade face roller, lash serum, Lonely Ghost beanies, so cute. Cute stickers from Redbubble, Truly Beauty products. They're so cute and aesthetic, but they also work really, really well. Under the eye, like gel masks, I love those things. I think they're so fun. A pair of black boots, whether that's like Doc Martens or some from like Princess Polly. New swimsuits. Headbands, a cute vase to hold flowers. I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but it's this honey hair oil and my friend Lexi has it. I want it so bad. A wet brush, or maybe investing in a good hairbrush. Cool looking candles, like ones that are shaped really cool. I think those are awesome. A tapestry, a new phone charger, a cross necklace, new workout clothes, bath salts, shaving cream, ballpoint pens, scrunchies, and finally privacy screen protectors. Those are completely underrated, but when you're on an airplane and you're on your phone, people won't be able to see it and see what you're doing and stuff because it's like you're so close to them. So that is my little last minute gift ideas. While I'm here, maybe I should give a life update of what's happened today. So today was my last day of school. It is Friday. Also, I think I have a bug bite on my face. I don't even know. Today was my last day of school. So now I'm on Christmas break and I'm so excited because I feel so relieved. School was literally like taking all my brain cells and like throwing them in the trash. I feel like I don't think I have any left, which is really sad. So I woke up because yesterday, if you guys saw, I slept at my friend Caroline's house. And then I drove to school at 8:55. I went to class and then we got out at like 12-ish, I think. So my friend and I, Gracie, we went to Kirby Lane, which is this amazing breakfast place. And we got breakfast there, or like a little brunch thing. And then after I came back home, I took like a 3-hour nap. No, actually it was probably like 4 hours. I took a 4-hour nap. And then my parents came home from work and then we went to go eat at this place called Simply Pho. And yeah, it was really good, but I just like was completely knocked out and I'm so happy that school is out. Also, my break is literally so long. Like I thought it was only gonna be 2 weeks, but it's actually like longer than that, which is like a relief. But yeah, and then here I am now. It is currently 8:22. I've got to edit this video tonight so that I can upload it for you guys tomorrow, but I think for the rest of the night I'm going to read a little bit of my book that I'm currently reading and yeah, just relax because tomorrow is gonna be a jam-packed day. Yeah, we're having like my whole Asian family come in and then I'm gonna be going to Brian's house and hanging out with him for a little bit. So you guys will probably see that. I think I'm definitely gonna be vlogging tomorrow, but I'm really excited that you're here and I appreciate you guys being here. So if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you so much. Have a great rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Movie marathon for one was always much more fun. Bottle of my gift, so I give just what